Let's unbox this month's Louise budget box. This month's box seems really heavy, so let's see. Ooh, I'm seeing some skincare. For some context, these boxes are $39 USD, but I pay $52 because that includes shipping. Being said, you get so much, so let's get started. The first thing is like an interesting contraption. This looks like a little face scrubber. This is the In Love With Me, confidence in your skin means confidence within watermelon foaming cleanser. So yeah, maybe you're supposed to use these little scrubbies. I feel like I'm not going to do that and I'll just use my hands. Sometimes because I have dry skin, I feel like any little scrubby on a pad, even if it's soft, can like be a little too harsh on my skin, but love the idea. And this right here is the Plump Me Pretty Pineapple Plumping Moisturizer. Wow, that was wild to say. And then this is the Make It Melt. Yes, I loved my Make It Melt before it, which is like a melting cleansing balm. This is the Mango Makeup Melter. Very excited about that. The one I had last time almost smelled like buttered popcorn when I was using it, for a new scent on that. And this is the P. Louise Skin Watermelon Jelly Makeup Remover. I've never heard of a jelly makeup remover. Okay, might need to do a first impressions on that. For most people, this would be exciting, but for me, I don't use false lashes, so I'm probably gonna give these to friends, but there are 2 false lashes. They do look beautiful. I just don't wear them because I have long ass lashes. And last but not least, we got another little box that looks like lip oils, which I loved my lip oils from last month, so hopefully they didn't get the same shades. What shades are these? Spoilt Sparkle, Crystal Queen, and Tiara Topaz, all different. Oh, let's see what they are. Let's swatch them, let's swatch them. This one is Tiara Topaz. Oh, that's gorgeous. It's like a nude bronze shimmer with like a pink kind of shift to it. Love. And someone said these were watermelon scented, and they are. I couldn't place my finger on it last time, but it smells so good. This is Crystal Queen. Is that the one I have? Okay, this one is stunning, and I just wanted to compare it to the other clear one I have, which is Gleam Team, just to see the difference on my hand. This one almost looks even more clear. So the sparkles are slightly different in these two. You probably can't tell on camera, but this one has a little bit more yellow sparkles in it. Wouldn't have noticed the difference before until I put them side by side, but love, 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 love. And the last one that I got is Spoilt Sparkle. And yeah, it has a T at the end, not spoil. Let's see. This one is another beautiful kind of pinky shimmer. I know I have a dark lip on, but let's put on this Tiara Topaz on these lips. See what the color is looking like on here. I feel like you can't see too much of the shimmer right now. I didn't use a ton, but I love the way this looks. Overall, I love these boxes. I'm glad I buy them every month. It's like Christmas, and I love P. Louise products. I'm actually surprised by how much skincare they sent, and I've only ever tried that Make It Melt before, so I might need to do a separate video trying out these skincare products, but let me know if you have any questions, and I'll see you later.